Pete's world of poisonous plants, a place where beauty can kill and horror can bloom right under your nose. I'm Pete, your slightly unhinged guide to the world's most dangerous flora, from the seductive shimmer of deadly nightshade to the rainforest nightmare known as the Jimpy, the plant that hurts so much grown men have begged for death. We've got exploding cucumbers that literally fire their seeds like botanical grenades, trees that can blind you with their sap, or blow you up if you touch the wrong fruit. Hello, sandbox tree. Every leaf, every berry, every blossom hides a secret. Some were used by queens and assassins. Some inspired witchcraft, war, and myth. Others are still quietly plotting your demise in the garden next door. But don't worry, you'll be perfectly safe. Probably. So if you've ever wondered what plant could paralyze your heart, melt your skin, or turn your last breath into legend, then you've found your new favorite corner of YouTube. This is where science